Welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create an eye-catching coupon section using the aBlocks coupon block. First, open the section of your website where you want to display the coupon. Then, head over to the block inserter and search for coupon. Insert the aBlocks coupon block into your page. Now that the block is added, let's dive into customizing it to match your brand and boost your conversions. Once the block is added, begin by fixing the alignment to ensure your coupon appears exactly where you want on the page, whether that's left, center, or right. Next, select the style of the coupon. You'll find a few preset options like Default, Hidden Coupon, Simple Coupon, Coupon Overlay. Choose the one that best fits your design and purpose. Now update the coupon text with your own offer, like a discount code, promotional deal, or any custom message. Move to the Style tab and fine-tune the typography settings for your coupon message. Choose a clean text color and a matching background color that aligns with your branding. You can now set a border style, such as solid or dashed. Adjust the border width to your preference and add a border radius to give your coupon rounded edges for a smoother design. Scroll down to the coupon button area. Here you can enable or disable the coupon icon. Change the button text to match your CTA, like copy code or claim offer. Choose what message shows after the code is copied, such as copied or code applied. Go to the Style tab under the button settings. Customize the typography, text color, and even the background color of the button for better visual impact. Once you've completed all your customizations, just hit the Save button to apply the changes. Now go ahead and preview the page. You'll see a professional, eye-catching coupon section live on your site, built with just a few clicks using the aBlocks coupon block. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a like, subscribe for more aBlocks tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.